Hi, welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle. Here at this channel, we focus on decentralization, mass adoption, and other Bitcoin-related material that will bank you coin. We are talking about low-cap gems, pre-sales. The founder of this channel is Francis, Mr. 100X himself. Let him show you how to navigate these deep waters of crypto and come up with gems in your hand, my friends. Gems. Now you might be wondering, who am I? I'm the Crypto Lifer. I also have a YouTube channel. Check the link in the description and in the comment section if you want to know more about what I bring to the crypto space. So as always here at the Crypto Lifestyle, we have another amazing project to bring you that focuses on decentralization and changing the world. Stay tuned as I bring you Cook Finance.
It's the Crypto Lifestyle, baby!
One thing I do have to say is all of us here at the Crypto Lifestyle, we are not financial advisors. Do not take anything we say on this channel as financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own research before you buy any project. Okay, let's get into the content. The project I'm talking about today is Cook Protocol. The website is cook.finance. So what is Cook and where did it come from? Cook was on BSC Pad, Pools, and DuckDAO. It was on the incubator on DuckDAO, and you can see right here, there is Cook on their website. And believe you me, Cook has already done a 55x from the pre-sale price at 0.005. So this thing has already done some amazing things, and Mr. 100X was all over it, again, as usual. We wanted to bring this project to your attention because we believe it can push mass adoption and change the financial sector as we know it. Cook Protocol is absolutely pretty amazing once you start to see what I see about it. Let's take a deep dive into the website. Let's talk about what they do. Let me show you where you can get it, how to buy it, and if you stay to the end, I'm going to do a little bit of TA as well to show you the best place to possibly accumulate Cook Finance. So here we are at the website. It's a beautiful website, number one. Well organized, well put together. Another thing I like about this, you can buy it on Uniswap and PancakeSwap. It's truly decentralized. It doesn't matter. And why would you buy it on Uniswap when you could get it on PancakeSwap for basically no fees? Just saying. Cook Protocol is a completely decentralized cross-chain asset management platform built for investors and professional asset managers to unlock an entirely new universe of DeFi innovations. Huh? Yes. Cook Protocol will tap into crypto asset management market, which is currently valued at the hundreds of billions of dollars and is growing exponentially. Cook Protocol allows investors to select appropriate investment choices provided by fund managers. We provide investors with a sleek and straightforward interface and fund managers with powerful trading tools. Then what can it do for investors? Its user-friendly UI is a simple, sleek interface to help users navigate through sophisticated DeFi land, investment variety index-based, and actively managed funds. It has security and transparency, fund security and information transparency guaranteed by a smart contract. This is pretty interesting. It's saying too that once your assets are locked by the asset manager, he can't take your funds. All he can do is buy and sell them and then take his fees produced by the smart contract. So it's a way more transparent way of investing with a fund manager. Lower initialization fees, the elimination of a hefty legal and various fees to begin fund management and receive money from investors. Professional trading tools, access to various blockchain-based money markets and trading tools such as token price and predictive models. Wow, man. IP protection, no need to open source investment strategies, man. This is amazing. We haven't even gotten into all that Cook is going to do, and I'm already blown away. I don't know if you are. So what is the Cook token used for? Cook tokens are a governance token that can accomplish a variety of updates on the protocol. You can modify the governance model. For instance, if you don't like something going on and you guys want to change it, you can change it. The holders will have a lot of governance over the entire project. This is true decentralization. Cook will be way different. Cook will revolutionize how investors take control of their funds and how they interact with fund managers. Update the DeFi whitelist. The entire community of Cook token holders can decide whether to add or remove a particular DeFi project to the protocol level whitelist. Change the pricing oracle. Cook Protocol uses a price oracle to calculate the investment fund values. Token holders can vote to have that price oracle updated. You can also adjust the platform fees and add new features. Now here's a breakdown of the token distribution. Mining 60%, community incentive and airdrop 10%, early community 10%. That's the pre-sale members and the early community people who contributed to the ecosystem at the very early stages. The business and media partnership 10%, and the team got allocated 10%. Now here you see they have a vast roadmap and they're accomplishing everything as they go on their way. They have yet to miss a milestone, and I believe they're going to hit each of these points on target. Another thing I like to see here is in Q2 of 2021, Cook Protocol will be doing a third-party audit. I like that. It just makes the project more substantial, gives people that nice warm feeling that things aren't going to get rug pulled, and makes them far more legitimate. So I like seeing that too on the roadmap. Cook Protocol is poised to revolutionize decentralized finance. Traditionally, large-scale pension and mutual funds have dominated the asset management space. These funds have continued to increase their holdings of alternative investments other than stocks and bonds to seek higher profitability. They're going to be coming into the crypto space, guys, I'm telling you. Decentralized finance has become one of the most popular uses of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, providing users around the world with access to financial services and new means to generate gains on their assets. And Cook Protocol, your gateway to DeFi. As the previous article mentioned, although DeFi seems very promising, it is challenging for ordinary investors to participate. With a vision to bring finance to the masses, the Cook Protocol team has set out to democratize DeFi. And as you can see, that's what this channel's really been all about from the beginning. Decentralization, putting finance in your hands. Now, another thing I like is the team. The team is impressive beyond belief. I'm telling you right now. Look at Adrian Peng, the CEO. He graduated from UC Berkeley with 4 years of experience in the blockchain space, one of the most highly accredited colleges in the world. Early investor in crypto projects, including Ethereum, Polkadot, and Filecoin. He's a tech lead at Google and Oracle. Come on, man. Currently managing front-end and back-end development while overseeing the overall product roadmap. I mean, this is the fact that he has ties to some of the biggest, most successful companies in the world. He also knew how to invest his money, so he's probably a millionaire, and he went to UC Berkeley. This guy looks ready to go. I don't see why he couldn't take this company to the moon, man. And he has a family member here, another Peng here, KP Peng. He's the strategy lead. He's a Stanford Engineering School graduate, product manager for United Technologies Corporation, fluent in 6 languages. He successfully delivered multi-large-scale projects in both corporate America and startups. 4 years of experience in the blockchain space. The only other person that I knew right off the top of my head that spoke 6 languages was Nikola Tesla, and he was one of the smartest people in the world. The fact that this guy can speak that many languages and he has a degree from Stanford, I'm telling you right now, this is a team that's ready to go. They're not playing around at all. So I like what I'm seeing already with the team. Now you have 2 tokens in this protocol. You have the Cook token and the CK token. When you deposit funds with an asset manager on Cook Protocol, you receive a CK token in return. A CK token is an LP token that represents the ownership of a percentage of an investment fund. CK tokens can be redeemed for the underlying asset or traded at any time. Now, what's the difference between a Cook token and a CK token? A Cook token is a governance token used to propose and vote to make changes on the protocol, while a CK token represents ownership of a specific fund. Now, whenever I go over a coin, I also check out their socials. I want to see how they're moving. I want to see what's going on. I want to see how many people are interacting. 19,000 people in a Telegram. I'm telling you right now, that's a big deal. That raises my eyebrows. We also like to check the Twitter here because we want to see how many followers they have. 20,000 followers on Twitter, doing really well. They posted just 2 hours ago. So I just connected my MetaMask wallet to their app. I want to see what's going on. I want to see what they're offering. Accessibility, transparency, and security. Cook Protocol. Cook Protocol is a completely decentralized cross-chain asset management platform built for investors and professional asset managers to unlock an entirely new universe of DeFi innovations. Manage your Cook balance for early investors, liquidity mining, Cook mining, stake Cook token, and get Cook token. 649% APY. That's awesome. This pool is open for staking and ready to go. So how do you buy Cook? Well, you can buy it on Uniswap, but you can also buy it on PancakeSwap. And I love Uniswap and I love Ethereum, but I also like my money. And if I go and get this on PancakeSwap, I'm going to pay a lot cheaper fees for it. So in my opinion, if I was going to buy it, I would buy it with BNB coin right here on PancakeSwap. At the end of every review, I like to do some TA. I think it's worth it because I just told you about a project that's interesting, possibly worth getting a bag of. So why not show you where I would personally get a bag based on the TA that I see? So when we look at the TA right off the bat, it's a very early coin, so we don't have a lot to go on, but we do see that it's been in a falling wedge ever since it really hit the markets. What we're going to wait for here is a couple higher highs to break through these moving averages. So here I'm in an earlier time frame just to see what's going on. One good thing we see is the 21-day moving average crossing the 50. I'm going to keep watching these moving averages. Once the 50 crosses over the 200, we're going to be in a better shape for a place to accumulate. I would wait for this to come up and secure a higher low here and begin to break out of this top trend line. Once that happens, I'd get in on a retest or the next candle close above this trend line. And then this thing will be ready to get all the way back to its previous highs. I do believe once it breaks this trend line, it'll go up about 249% back to its previous all-time high. From all of us here at The Crypto Lifestyle, thank you so much for tuning in. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when we post our next video. And we'll see you at the next 100X.
It's the crypto lifestyle, baby.